Good morning, welcome back to the channel. So show you my update here, some progress on the home addition. Got the roof done last week and that turned out really nice. Take a look here. The shingles blended in really nice. The roofers did a fantastic job tying it in. Got the ridge vent tied into the existing ridge vent. It's all one piece now. Yeah, I would show you the back, but the sun is coming, shining right in my face from the back side. But yeah, really happy with that. All right, let's take a look inside, see what's going on in here. Let me get this door unlocked. We got some plumbing done. So there's the new washer hookup. Got the P-trap, the drain, the vent pipe. That's where the washer and dryer will sit, right in there. Stacked setup. We have the vanity drain and supply lines. These are the bathtub supply lines. I got to add some shut-off valves to those. Tub drain. All right. And this is the shower system. This has 6 body sprays. And those are just temporary test pipes for leak checking it. Those will come off. Has the handheld sprayer. And then it has the rain head. And I'll have to show you that rain head. It's pretty nice. This is the valve setup. It's what they call a thermostatic. So you can set the temperature and leave it. You have your body sprays, your handheld, and then your rain head. You can run them individually or all together or 2 at a time, whatever you want. So it's completely adjustable and controllable. And of course we have the shower drain. And then last on the plumbing is the toilet. The toilet will sit right there. There's your 4-inch drain and your supply line. So then I got these vents in for the soffits. These go in and they keep the blown-in insulation from blowing down into where the soffit is on the outside, and the soffits are vented. See there, I got all the soffit material. It's the Hardy pre-vented stuff. Still got to put that up. Yeah, I got these vents in. They're just blockers and they allow air to pass through on the ceiling or on the roof. Keep the roof cool. Have that done on both sides. Of course, all the windows are in. I think I already showed you that. Oh yeah, let's check out this rain head. One thing I wanted to mention was, just to be clear, I did not do this plumbing. I hired it out. I hired a professional. I think they did a fantastic job, reasonably priced. It's just, it's a lot. It's a lot of plumbing. It's beyond my expertise. These guys know the codes around here, and everything's built to code. What they did in 2 days probably would have taken me 2 weeks, and some things, you know, you just have to hire out. So just want to let everybody know that I did not do this plumbing. Oh yeah, the vent pipe from the washer goes up through the ceiling, and then it ties in to this vent pipe here, which comes up from the floor. That's attached to the toilet drain, the shower drain, tub drain. Goes up through this little stub wall and then out through the ceiling. Everything's tied in, and I put a Y in there with a cap so the inspector can reach down in there when we fill it up with water, and he can see that there's water all the way up in the drain pipe or in the vent pipe. That's how you leak check them. So anyway, check out this rain head. 16 inches. Chrome finish. That's the back side that attaches. It's got a spout that it attaches to. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the plumbing. Anyway, just a quick update. Wanted to share with you guys what's going on. We'll get back on it next week. I got to get my electricians out here and figure out where we're going to put lights, what kind of lights. So we'll go over all that when we get to that point. So thanks again for watching Projects with Paul. We'll see you next time.